where do you see the interest rate kind of like flattening out before we then see a reversal? And where do you see inflation cooling off?
Yeah, so it's very interesting because this is the first time that State Bank has done something which is not popular opinion. And for the last 3 monetary policies, they have been consistently saying one thing, that we want to avoid the boom and bust cycle which we've seen previously. So that's very interesting because they understand कि अगर हम यहाँ से interest rate कम करेंगे, थोड़ी सी GDP growth होगी, थोड़ा सा imports बढ़ जाएंगे, and then imports जब बढ़ जाएंगे तो हमारा external account out हो जाएगा, and then we'll go into that cycle कि अच्छा dollar ऊपर चला गया, and then you have to increase it. So this is kind of forward looking for me, and I think what they want to avoid is that boom and bust cycle and bring stability, which in today's environment I think it's a good idea. I know that it's not the popular opinion, interest rates niche hone chahiye, but I think it's a good idea. I think it's not just the borrowers who are actually paying more, it's even the government is paying more. So I think there is a cost to it, and I think that cost should be absorbed क्योंकि जो geopolitical situation है, natural calamities हैं, and I think we all have an eye on our external account. हमारा जो dollar rupee है, it's kind of like a confidence barometer. तो वो थोड़ा सा भी हिलता है, सबका confidence हिल जाता है. And it shouldn't be that should not be the case, but it is what it is. So we can't do that. So that's how I look at the State Bank's decision. I think flood ka impact zarur hoga. I think in terms of livelihoods, in terms of erosion on GDP, in terms of inflation, मुझे लगता है थोड़ा सा muted होगा, because last floods, if you remember, the commodity prices were really high globally. This time that's not the case. So I think wheat is cheap in the international markets, sugar is cheap. So I think जो चीज़ें कम हो सकती है, they can be imported, and also the base effect on inflation will be muted this time. So inflation पे yes, I think State Bank has also underlined के फ़र्क आएगा, but it will not be as significant as we saw 3 years back.